Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today we're going to look at a managed appointment versus a manual appointment. A lot of our clients don't realise the benefits of a managed appointment and how this will improve your efficiency when doing the rotas. So we'll show you how this works for a test client, and hopefully you guys will begin to start using the managed appointment free functionality a little bit more. So for the test client we're going to use somebody called Barbara Babble. Okay. So now let's look for the week of the 22nd. We're going to create a morning appointment between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. As you can see, there's no appointments exist at the moment for that week. So to do this manually, we would have to select the appointment, click Barbara Babble, click the task template. This is previously created, which we'll show you at a later time, and select the date, which will be the 22nd, 8 a.m, 1 hour, and assign it to a staff member. Okay. As you can see, this is now assigned this appointment and created this appointment for Monday the 22nd. Now to do this same task, we would have to repeat this exercise for every single day of the week using the manual scenario. As you can see, this can become very time consuming. So now let me show you how we would do it using a managed appointment, which will create this regular appointment where all you need to do is assign the staff member each week. So as you can see, if I look to the following week, the 29th, there'll be no appointment that exists for Barbara between 8 and 9. Okay, so what I'm going to do is delete this completely so it doesn't exist, and we will now do a managed appointment. So how we do this is we go to Operations Service User, look for this client and click Managed Appointments. Now what we're going to do is create a regular appointment that occurs every single day at the same time, or it can recur every few weeks depending on the frequency and the appointment that this client has. Now for this example, it's Barbara Babble. She has an appointment every day in the morning between 8 and 9 a.m. So how do we do this? We simply click Add Appointment. We select when these appointments start from the first day. So let's say the 22nd. Every single day, this person has these appointments at the same time, so we click whole week. If it was just a weekend, we could click weekend or weekdays, or if it was alternative days, we could just select the days that were required. So for this example, we'll click the whole week. We then put the appointment start time, so it's 8 a.m. The appointment end time, duration, which is 1 hour, and the task template, which is the task the carer will see within the app that they need to complete at this appointment. So we'll do morning appointment. As you can see, we've also got the option, if we had a one-off appointment, to set it fortnightly, 3 weekly or 4 weekly, saving you having to create that manually. So now what we do is click Save. We wait for the system to load. Now this has created this appointment every single day. What we will do now, if we go back to the previous example, we look at Barbara Babble for the week of the 22nd. So we select the week of the 22nd. We now have Barbara Babble. As you can see, all those appointments are there preloaded. The week of the 22nd, the week of the 23rd, 29th. Every single week, those appointments will be preloaded until you decide to change that. So now, instead of creating these appointments manually as each day, I can assign it, for example, if it's the same carer going Monday to Friday, all I would need to do is go Daniel Lawrence. What days is Daniel Lawrence going? He's going on the weekdays. We click Submit, and there you go. Daniel Lawrence has now been added to that appointment 5 days of the week. This saves you so much time, and I hope you guys, will learn to utilize the managed appointments, and it will benefit you moving forward. So this is the tutorial to show you the difference between a managed appointment and a manual appointment. DCME, domiciliary care made easier.